take some diesel. Make sure it's diesel. Make sure it's diesel. Diesel, right? Diesel. Diesel. Make sure it's diesel. Diesel, 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 diesel. Diesel. $70. Now let's go to just went grocery. We're camping in Castaic Lake. We're like 2 days, so this is what we have. I have eggs, cakes, my whiskey, and I'm gonna cook turkey soup tonight. Okay, you don't need to spend too much on the refrigerator because this looks okay for overnight. Milk should be here. Oh. So this was a gift by our niece Pia and Aina. Okay, we haven't done anything yet. On my way to
is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
Taco Bell. Taco Bell, Taco Bell. Go. All right, we'll keep you posted, guys.
Your phone and is reminding you that 911.
Castaic Lake. Go now.
All set. Let's go. Turn left. Then turn left.
All right, gonna go drive. So we were here last night and it was closed. We've been waiting for an hour and a half. So if you guys going to Castaic Lake for the first time, this is not the RV park. That is not the RV park. I repeat, not an RV park. If you do Google the park or RV park, it's gonna go there for the Castaic Recreational Park, it will go there. They close early. The real campsite is here. So turn right on Lake Hughes all the way. You're gonna pass this Castaic State Recreational Area. You're gonna pass that. Those are for boats, I think. We went there earlier. They said one more. So this is the RV campground. Do not make mistake like we did. It was closed. We're waiting, we're calling, we came in at 9. If you're coming in early, that's fine. They're gonna let you know where to go. So this is the way for the RV park or camping site. Okay, so this is Castaic Lake. It's nice. It's a little bit peaceful than Lake Perry. Less people, but it's kind of small. So I'll tour you around later. Thank you. Okay. So this is the campground for Castaic Lake. So these are the sites. I think these are the tent sites. So they have a dumping area right there. So we're good. We're gonna bring our trailer. So these are the tent area. Cops, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? What's happening? Tent area again. Alright, nobody get arrested. So that's a tent area, I suppose. So this is, let me show you one of the badass RV. I know it's made from Germany. I know it's millions of dollars right there. It's all season off-road. Whoa. So these are the RV sites. Look at the badass. Ow! MAN. So this is our site, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to the back. That's our site. So pretty much it's small. It's pretty small. Oh, there's our site. Tita, I was there. Okay. That's the end of the road. We used to have that tent. We gave it to Harvest Hills. That tent. It connects to our NB200. Alright, the neighbors, they have wine. They said it's not allowed. Liquor not allowed. But hey, just don't get drunk. Okay, I'm gonna park. 2 hands. Signing off. So guys, we're gonna go visit the Castaic Lake. Let's follow me. Let's follow me. C11. go around from this. We should go around from this.
Okay.
Is this a way?
Huh?
I think it's a good spot. There's a water dam like there, right there. I don't know if we can climb this. Going back to our site. Okay.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Affleck, Affleck.
Okay, my turn to take the shortcut. A bit harder, it's kind of stiff. Let's try it this way. We came from that route. Let's see. Oh, I need the four-wheel drive shoes here. Oh my foot hurts. Oh. So our campsite is there, and the lake is down here. So if you wanna fish, that's a good spot. It's on site C11. So C11, A, B, and C. C11 is nice. It has a tree, and it's close to the water, and they have a shortcut. You may take the long cut, which is good, and this is the shortcut, which is a little bit tricky if you're old. Yeah, but there's a campsite, our campsite. Here we go. Oh, not bad, not bad at all. So that's the lake. Whew, not bad. We just need a pair of good shoes, but I have Crocs. All right, dinner time. I'm gonna cook dinner. I'll show you later. Alida is right there. Alida. Our camper van. It's Ford Transit 250 power stroke diesel. It's a ladder. It's empty. C6 is nice. C5. C28, C29. It's okay. So in case you're gonna camp here at Castaic Lake, you know how you expect, from the gate entrance all the way to the back, side C. Then the cleaning area, the restroom is here, so if you don't have a bathroom, might as well camp this way. Hello. Okay, the bathroom. I'll talk to you later. Okay, since I forgot cooking oil for my ground turkey, we decided to order pizza. There goes my diet. Oh, it's not that great. Yeah. Trash. Okay, dinner time. Pizza, bonfire, whiskey. Perfect. Alrighty. Good. Lila. The guy from Switzerland. Whoa. Off-road. Alright, the weekend is over, camping is done. We're leaving Castaic Lake, going back home. It was chilly last night. It was probably on the 30s or 40s. From Switzerland. The only downside here in Castaic Lake, they don't have power in the campsite. So if it's really cold, it would be nice if you have an electric heater instead of the propane, because the propane only lasts for 4 hours. So you have to change it in the middle of the night. But if you have an electric heater, that will last. So that's the advantage of Lake Perry. Advantage here is smaller groups and you're close to the waters and nature. Alright, until then, to the next camping. Our next will be Yuma. with the GeoPro trailer. Wait for our next vlog. Thank you. Bye.